Okay, so this piece is called Sound Modulated Light. It allows me to shape a space. The receivers, they have two light sensors in it. One sensor for your left ear, the other one for your right ear. And in the receiver, the light is being amplified. And you see changes here. You don't see the actual waveform, it's too fast for our eyes to see the waveform, but the changes that you do see are loudness changes. There's a computer that's playing back 20 tracks of sound, and they are distributed over the space. Each individual track has a different length, so they're also shifting in time over each other. The sound signals go into special modulators, and then the lights are being hooked up to the modulators. Just like you could think about, you have the sound coming from your CD player, going into an amplifier, and then going to a speaker. So these are, you could say, light speakers.